If you've got a professional organizing service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your professional organizing business. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, very first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week for various small businesses. Let's go ahead and search for our market, professional organizer. There is a professional home organizer as well, but I'm going to go ahead and select this template for now. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business, so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region here. And it doesn't matter where in the world my business is located. You can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue. Let MultiSites generate that website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional looking. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, make it more personalized, maybe make 1 or 2 changes to this content that was pre-written for you. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any sort of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that my email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our physical location, maybe you're mobile, you can leave it off, but if you have one, pop it in over here. Great thing about the location when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website to get more followers, so your customers can easily find you on social media platforms. And update logo. If you have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. MultiSites. If you don't have a logo yet and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. Both great options if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. Once your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make amendments to it, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, click on that pencil, otherwise click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on the paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Otherwise, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button if you have a profile and automatically pull in all those Instagram photos. Under update action, we can change that button, the text where all the buttons link to as well by clicking on choose link. You can even upload a PDF file with your various rates and services, maybe a catalog of your various services that you offer. In the last section over here, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on this yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors, click on that button as well. You now have the option to purchase a domain from the MultiSites platform. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So make sure you click on the link below this video, start that free trial. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.